Imagine you finally saved up enough to get that shiny new Tesla. You've been dreaming about it for years, and now it's finally within reach. But what about your old car? How do you get rid of it to make room for your new electric dream? You might be wondering, does Tesla even do trade-ins? Well, the answer might surprise you. Before we dive into the details, let's talk a bit about why trade-ins are so popular in the traditional car market. Trade-ins offer a convenient way to dispose of your old car while getting a credit towards your new purchase. It's like a one-stop shop for car buying. Plus, dealerships often have a network of buyers who are always on the lookout for used cars, so they can usually offer you a fair price. But when it comes to Tesla, things might be a little different. For a long time, Tesla didn't offer traditional trade-in programs. This was a bit of a departure from the norm in the car industry. So, why didn't they? One reason might be Tesla's focus on disrupting the traditional car market. They wanted to do things differently, and that included the way people bought and sold cars. Another reason could be the unique nature of Tesla vehicles. Electric cars are still relatively new, and their resale value can be a bit unpredictable. This might have made it challenging for Tesla to accurately assess the value of trade-in vehicles. However, in recent years, Tesla has started to offer more trade-in options. This is a significant shift that could make it easier for people to transition to Tesla ownership. So, what exactly does Tesla's trade-in program look like? While the specifics might vary depending on your location and the model you're interested in, Tesla generally offers a few different options. Direct trade-in: you can trade in your old car directly to Tesla. They'll assess its value and offer you a credit towards your new purchase. Third-party trade-in: if you prefer, you can sell your old car to a third-party buyer and then use the proceeds to purchase a Tesla. Referral program: Tesla often has referral programs in place that can provide incentives for both the person referring a new customer and the new customer themselves. Additional considerations: when considering a trade-in with Tesla, there are a few things to keep in mind. Vehicle condition: the condition of your old car will significantly impact its trade-in value. Factors like mileage, maintenance history, and overall wear and tear will be taken into account. Model and year: certain Tesla models and years may be more in demand, which could lead to a higher trade-in value. Local market: the value of your trade-in can also be influenced by the local market for used cars. If there's a high demand for your specific vehicle in your area, you might be able to get a better price. So, does Tesla do trade-ins? The answer is yes, but with some nuances. While they didn't offer traditional trade-in programs for a while, they've now introduced options that make it easier for people to transition to Tesla ownership. If you're thinking about buying a Tesla and have an old car to get rid of, it's worth exploring their trade-in options. You might be surprised at how much you can save. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.